Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make medium poha. Start by taking 1.5 cups of medium poha. Gently rinse it under running water for about 30 seconds to remove impurities and begin softening. After rinsing, drain all the water completely. Let the poha rest for about 10 minutes. This resting period is crucial for the poha to absorb moisture and become soft without turning mushy. You want it moist, not soggy. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter, releasing their aroma. Then, add about 1/4 cup of peanuts and roast them until they turn a lovely golden brown. Now, stir in a few fresh curry leaves, 1 or 2 chopped green chilies for a little kick, and 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions. Sauté until the onions become translucent. Now let's add some vegetables. Incorporate about 1/4 cup of finely chopped potatoes and cook them until they are tender. Then, add 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen green peas. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder for that beautiful golden color and earthy flavor. Season with salt to taste and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the spices coat all the ingredients. Finally, it's time to add our softened poha. Gently incorporate the soaked poha into the pan with the tempered spices and vegetables. Mix everything very carefully to avoid breaking the poha flakes. Cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Before serving, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top for a zesty finish. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and a sprinkle of sev for an added crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.